The Double D. What's happening, ladies and gents? The day we have all been waiting for has finally arrived. The winner of Pimp My Rig Season 1 is just behind this gate. His name, David Woolf. Oh, you see what I did there? It's your boy. But I'm not gonna do it alone, ladies and gents. Something this amazing, something this life-changing, I gotta bring in the big guns. It's your boy, my partner in crime, my PIC, Tom Zeri.
I'm gonna try kick too.
Nice.
What else up? It's your boy Tom Zeri, the people with the sneakers, the mechanic with the knuckle grease. Thank you, Dave, for doing this. David Woolf, we're here for you, my man. We're coming to pimp your rig.
You ready to change some lives, bro?
I'm ready. Let's do it.
Explode it, explode it. Let's hit that bell. Let the pimping commence.
You can actually hear it from inside the house.
I hope they're home. Well, maybe it's the bottom one. There we go, ladies and gents. Is that our man? Is that our man? Ladies and gentlemen, I think we know who this is, right? Come on, let's go say hello. It's the winner of Pimp My Rig Season 1. It's your boy David. Woohoo! Winner of Pimp My Rig 2021. How you doing, boy? Hey, my boy Tom Zeri. We got Neil on the boom and my boy Trenok behind the lens. What's happening, buddy? Congratulations on winning, dude.
I'm so sorry about the swear.
No, we'll bleep that out. Don't worry. That's amazing, dude. What are you expecting to see from this rig? What are you most excited about?
Dude, something probably amazing.
Yeah, something with RGB on it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Dude, 100%.
Oh, it better have
Like
RGB.
2070, I'm thinking.
Oh, maybe if you're that lucky. If you're that lucky, we're gonna have to wait and see. The thing is, you're not gonna see it till it's ready. Okay, you're gonna have to go to another room or wherever, go grab a coffee, because we have to build it for you quickly.
Okay.
But why don't we go take a look at your current rig and see what we're working with?
Okay,
Let's get our PIC, our surgeon, and take a looky-loo.
Welcome to my humble abode, boys.
David Woolf, ladies and gentlemen, this is where the magic happens. Thomas, take a look. Well, maybe magic was the wrong word. Which one of these is the trash can? You're gonna have to actually point it out.
This one.
I was about to say, there's more crap in here than I think there's in the actual trash can. Yes, I'm right, there is. That is way dirtier than the actual trash can. That needs some serious TLC. What do you think, Tams?
That needs Jesus, first of all.
And some lotion.
Yes,
and some lotion. Let's take a look at the first jewel in your unpimped crown right here. This is lots of lumbar support. What exactly is this?
Well, it's the hard piece of wood
Okay.
that supports the buttocks area.
Was this one of your projects in like grade 2 and you just kind of held on to it?
Oh yeah, sentimental.
I'll tell you what, that's some good rich mahogany in there, buddy. Unfortunately, we're not going to give you a chair, so you're going to have to rock that bad boy for a couple more years. Why don't you take us through the actual rig you got over here?
All right, so can I sit on my
There, you comfortable, sir? May I take your order?
So this is my keyboard. It's done me well.
Okay.
Good old little HP.
Couple of sticky keys. This reminds me of the computer lab keyboards we had back in the day, like the late 90s.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
So, you know,
Still works at least.
Yeah. And here's my 8-ball.
Your 8-ball. Let's take a looky. Should we see if it's got a bit of luck? Give it some man love there.
Don't let me down, ball.
Are we pimping David Woolf's rig today, ladies and gents? I'll tell you what. It says unlikely.
Oh.
I'm sorry, David Woolf. We gotta cut it there, guys. It's gonna be an early shoot. Let's wrap it down. Take us through your actual laptop yourself.
All right. Well, first of all, it needs its external fan.
Of course.
Well, it's my mom's fan.
Of course.
My mom's fan. It's a she. It's pink.
I was about to say, what's her name?
It's Sheila.
Sheila.
Yeah.
Wow, you came up with that quick. It's like it's a Sheila. We'll go with that.
Ordered from Aussie Land.
Nice.
And this is my laptop.
Very, very nice. What's this little bad boy over here? It's the nicest thing you got on your desk.
You tell me who that is.
That's Goku from Dragon Ball Z, isn't it? What?
Prince Vegeta.
Prince Vegeta? So that sounds like a dirty sexual word. I want to see your Prince Vegeta. Okay, cool. That actually looks pretty cool. That can stay.
I love my RGB. So
I hope you do, because we have so much of it coming your way. you're gonna need some like blue light filtering lenses, otherwise you're gonna get cataracts on this thing. It's gonna blow your mind.
Dave, I think it's time to get started.
I'm gonna let Dr. Tums do what he does best. But David Woolf, you cannot be here because we want to get it all set up and then show you the final result. So you gotta get your caboose out of that lumber and be somewhere else. Let me take a seat. Oh, dude, that is so horrific. I think my kidneys are bleeding just from leaning back in this thing.
I'm just worried about all the dust that we're gonna get, man. I don't think we bought it for the dust stuff.
I don't know, dude. Do you think you can handle this, Tums? Yeah?
It's gonna give me about 2-3 working days.
I hope there's a good reason you're wearing a surgical mask because we're about to do some big surgery, ladies and gents. Let's get to it. Let's have a look at your brand new pimped out rig. Get up here, buddy.
Okay.
Introducing your new rig, dude. Congratulations.
Dude!
There you have it, buddy. Congratulations, you just had your rig pimped, bossy. My boy. Congrats, dude.
This is insane.
I told you it would have RGB.
Dude.
Hey.
That is insane.
Hey.
I think I want to pass out. Oh my god. This is incredible.
Did you expect it to be this sexy?
Dude. Dude. No.
Far better upgrade than the previous.
There you have it, buddy. Jeez, many happy gaming hours ahead of you, I'll tell you that much.
Thanks, my boy.
And we got your Veggie man. What's his name? Veggie title. What's his name?
Vegeta.
Vegeta's even there, bro.
He's gonna be Veggie man now. He's Veggie man. Dude, my
Well
family
done.
is never gonna see me
Never, ever.
Fucking hell.
I'll tell you what, 12 months in lockdown, you deserve it, buddy. I think 12 more months, you're not gonna wanna leave your house after seeing this, dude. Ladies and gentlemen, this rig is about to blow David Woolf's hair right back. You might even slide off your chair, dude. We got more tech running this thing than Elon Musk has at SpaceX. Probably not true, but close. And my boy, Dr. Tamaziri, is gonna take us through every detail of this beautiful, sick build. Without further ado, let the doctor have the floor.
All right, David, when we came in, we saw your computer was looking shady AF, bro. So what we did was we hooked up with the boys at Evetech, who hooked you up with this very sweet Trio Elite case. All right, so your old PC was darker than the streets up in the hood. So we hooked you up with all the RGB that you could ever imagine. All the rainbow colors, all the lights, flashing. And then from the boys from MSI, we hooked you up with an MSI Gaming X Trio, GeForce RTX 3060 Ti.
We had to beat a crypto miner to death with his own shoes just to get it. No regrets.
But we paid him afterwards. Alright, my boy, and this beefy piece of bread is all plated on the MSI motherboard, the Z490A Pro. All powered by the 10th generation Core i7 10700K. My boy, this is beefy AF. Coming straight from the boys of Logitech, we hooked you up with some peripherals. Alright, over here we have the Logitech G Pro Wireless Shroud Edition mouse, the G513 Logitech Carbon keyboard, all laid on top of the Logitech G840 mousepad. Lastly, we hooked you up with the Logitech G Pro X headset. This stuff can make you hear your mother's heartbeat, son.
You're gonna feel like you're back in the womb, man.
Damn right. Alright, lastly we hooked you up with the MSI gaming monitor. We got you the MSI Optics G241 144Hz. Clearer that you can see your character's nostril hairs. Wow.
Dude, 144 Hz is like having Egyptian silk dragged across your freaking cornea, bro. Just you wait and see.
Son. Alright.
Mr. Wolf, I kid you not, this is gonna blow your mind. Have you ever experienced ray tracing in a video game?
Not even in my dreams.
Dude, not only is ray tracing mind-bendingly good, real-time reflections all over the map, the combination of this beautiful MSI 3060 Ti and this gorgeous 144Hz MSI optics screen, this is basically the wheels to the Ferrari, and it's gonna blow your hair right the hell back. Have you ever experienced DLSS in a game?
Not even in my dreams.
Dude, I kid you not, you're gonna feel like you're in a dream. I have no idea how it works, but it basically quadruples your performance through some sort of space-time continuum. Google it, it's amazing. I'm not doing it justice, trust me on that. Now before we leave and let you get to some much needed gaming, I've got an idea, something we can use your old dusty rig for. Why don't you grab that thing and grab a skateboard. Meet me outside. So there you have it, David Woolf, the winner for Pimp My Rig Season 1. Sir, you have just had your rig pumped, dusted off. Congratulations once again, buddy.
Guys, I just want to say something before you head out. I'd like to thank MSI, Evetech, Logitech G for making this all happen, especially Super 2-Bit. You guys make dreams come true, and I'm just so humbled. It's insane. I can't believe this is actually happening to me.
I hope it makes a big difference to your life, buddy.
Huge, huge.
Awesome, that's all that matters, dude.
Yeah.
With that said, that old piece of yours, I've got an idea for that thing. Go grab it, meet me down there in about 10 seconds. There we have it, ladies and gentlemen. Season 1 of Pimp My Rig done and dusted. Thank you to everyone for your creative videos. We had some amazing entries. And if you didn't win, don't worry. Season 2 kicks off in just a couple of days. And we're going bigger than ever before. Big ups to our sponsors, MSI, Evetech, Logitech G. Without them, we wouldn't be standing here right now changing lives. And obviously the Super 2-Bit crew, you guys are amazing. With that said, let's give the floor to my boy, David Woolf.